Kulang tagan?
Ano ba rin mas ano? Pitlapit ba? Dahil na lang ako para bubukan. Okay. So let's talk about...
Welcome ka na sa vlog.
Sige. Ikaw? Yung vlog, di ba?
Hi everyone!
Hi, every 2, every 3, every 4.
He will introduce me to...
order.
Oh yeah, ikaw
Yes.
yung order. Okay,
Here's
nagaling
an
guys sa
order.
vlog.
Uy, amo na yung vlog ta.
Tapos ang tagaw lang ito si Mario. Oh, ikaw lang, ikaw lang.
Thank
Di ba yung ano kuya? Kulang yung isa. Ma-vlog na mga 10 minutes.
Oh, para ma-monetize.
So what's your order? How will we know if it's our order na?
Hindi parehas pa
Actually,
ito
sa mga naka-order.
Paras ka na now?
Mango shake ka
Ang
naglain.
paras na bukape.
Oh, bukape.
Hi guys, so we're here now at Bukafe.
Bukape.
Check this out, check this out.
Ay, what?
Bukafe. That's Bukafe.
And ano, where's Bukafe located? Bukafe located.
So we're here in Siquijor, province of
Sige, more.
Siquijor.
Benong?
Wala ka naman sa vlog.
Puro tanad ka there.
Wala po, no? Sige na pangwakan na. Mabang ka, province of Siquijor. Okay, yeah, we're in the province of Siquijor.
And today, tonight, we're going to try
Excuse
their
me, or your...
Bukape.
Tonight we're
Oh,
going
by the
home.
way, we will be introducing our barkada to you,
Yeah, so
people.
we have here on my right, on my left, left, I don't know. Alam ko yung vlog nila.
Hello everybody, I'm Marvin Rajit.
And this is Pravin Raj.
I came from my Bacolod Indian industry.
Ayan. He is an Indian national.
Yes.
So, siya to guys ang nagbonggo sa Also, we have here another
Do you know that I love
Another
chicken
beach.
nuggets?
and what's your name, bitch?
Ay, namin.
I'm Beach Jobin.
It's
Isog.
Jobin Singh.
Namin.
Joben Singh. He is also Indian national. He's the one driving the car.
Yes, I'm Loretta Hu.
And this is his girlfriend, the very beautiful one.
Hindi ka dapat ba?
So the question is, Joel, why? Wah, charot lang. We love
You tell
Joben,
me.
and Joben is the best.
And today,
Ito, gawin ako bilhin.
tonight, uy, lalo dapat wala order.
Is Jobel na rin ako.
Ano?
Is Jobel na rin ako.
Okay,
Bago tayo magkanto kay Joben.
our friend will have a knock-knock. Ay, logog. Ikaw naman, ikaw.
And the last one, this is our richest friend.
Our treasure.
He owns the capital of Negros Occidental.
Somebody, hindi ko ba?
Somebody. Tipos na eh. This is...
I saw all their money.
And
This
he is the bugaw of the group.
This is Jerry.
Hello.
And we call him Jerger.
Yeah, because he likes jerky.
Sige na.
Okay.
And our barkada has something to offer. Has a joke to tell.
Ako? Ah,
Loretta Hu. Ano to?
okay, so we're now having our late
Snack.
here in Brew Cafe,
Yes,
Siquijor
and right-
province.
And so right now, we're going to taste the coffee and we will give a reaction.
Yeah.
So the taste of the
Let's taste.
coffee will be
test.
based in our reaction.
Yeah. And we will rate it 1 to 10 as well.
try
1,
first.
Dalangin, matry to that. Namit.
Try first.
Dalangin.
1.
Siya lang
Is your
ano.
stomach ready?
Watch mo lang sa camera. Takano ko mag-view sa ilo camera.
Namit. Go lang.
Say mo na sa iyaho.
Bingo shake.
Ay, lay.
So,
Namit ka.
Diba?
Amo pa lang yung tunay na kape na ano.
1,
Ay,
2,
diba?
3.
No. Ay, reaction. Nagabala ko namit.
1, 2, 3, go.
Nagabala pa.
Abi ko dalita.
Bali nang mag-try ta. Tapos mama na 1, 2, 3.
Na-first mo nga inom ka iso, tapos
May ano yun.
First mo nga inom, gauntat.
For me, it's
1, 2, 3, tapos ma-reacta based sa aton face.
muna siya.
Pero kung sinisigaw mo sa brain, wala sa board.
Muna to ako reaction. Gawin na.
Oh, really?
It's a so-so.
I'm gonna try that.
Ang mothballs. So, mothballs kung may tayo, kataka-taka.
How are you, friends?
That's your reaction. So it seems interesting.
Yes,
The
our
cafe seems
Indian
interesting.
friend will have his reaction to
What's
taste
your-
the coffee and
What's your reaction to the coffee?
react to it.
It's very good. It brings me back to the streets of Calcutta. But
Paano mo?
it's hygienic, my friends.
Hygiene.
Okay, if we
Kuya,
will rate,
Compared to the motherland.
kung i-rate na mo ng kape, for me it's 5/10. There's a kick of coffee.
Punch din,
There's a punch of coffee,
There's a 1, 2,
but
3 combo.
it's not that strong.
Let's stop this.
Uy, strong pala.
Stop this. Bad
Namin
Not at all.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to Jolly.
Close the vlog ko.
Oh, so that's it. That's it from our vlog.
Stop this vlog.
I'm Stacy.
Story lagi pala, end pa kami sa vlog. You should participate, Jobel.
Say goodbye.
Okay, so our friends will say goodbye as well. Again, this is Lorena who?
This is Lorena He.
Lorena.
This is Lorena. Ako.
So,
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
see you in our next vlog. Please click
of this vlog
like,
gets
share, and
monetized.
subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.
Introduce yourself again.
just laugh.
So they can... Bye.